Hello everyone, welcome back to WayKen Rapid Manufacturers channel. My name is TJ. Today, let's dive into an often overlooked but crucial part of manufacturing, the order review process. If you're a product designer, procurement engineer, a supplier quality engineer, have you ever faced issues like suppliers using wrong materials, inaccurate dimensions, surface defects, incorrect quantities, or even complete functional failures? In the machining industry, especially in rapid prototyping, this kind of mistakes are pretty common due to the nature of small batch, high device production. However, in an industry where precision and quality are critical, these problems not only lead to unhappy customers, but also result in expensive rework. So how does WayKen stand out when it comes to tackling these challenges? At WayKen, we ensure customer satisfaction through a rigorous order review process. This involves close collaboration between multiple departments, with each team responsible for specific aspects of the process. We conduct a comprehensive evaluation of the order at every stage and strictly adhere to ISO 9001 standards to address the issues mentioned earlier. Let's kick things off with the sales team receiving a customer's purchase order. When the client submits a purchase order, the project manager assigned to provide one-on-one service carefully checks the order details and any relevant information from the customer. After that, they organize the necessary documents, upload them to the company's internal order management system, and notify the engineering team to review the order. The order documents need to include the 2D and 3D design files of the parts, a complete parts list, and the production notification. At the part list for project we're currently working on, as you can see, we've clearly outlined the material type for each part, the finish color, surface treatment requirement, assembly needs, and any other important customer specifications. Once the department notifies them, the engineering team will promptly review the order documents. They will compare the order files with the initial quotation to ensure they match. Check for any cost discrepancy between the ordered requirements and the code. And make sure all the 2D and 3D files are complete and meet necessary standards. After the review, if everything checks out, the engineering team will give their approval. Only after this approval can the order move on to the production team for further inspection. At this stage, the machining and quality department takes over the project, with the production supervisor organizing the team for project review. The machining department is responsible for checking the completeness of the document to ensure that our manufacturing process, delivery timelines, and quality standards met the customer's requirements. Meanwhile, the quality department reviews the customer's acceptance criteria to ensure that our inspection and shipping standards align with their expectations. If any issues are found during the order review process, the production team will document their feedback in the project review comments and communicate promptly with the project manager to coordinate with the customer. For example, in this project, there are two parts that need to be assembled together, but their tolerance design is not reasonable and won't meet the customer's expectations. In this case, we draw our machining experience to provide the customer with suggestions for modifications. Typically, the production team responds within 48 hours of receiving the order notification. If the review is approved, they will send a formal production project number to the sales team and schedule the production accordingly. Regardless of which department identifies an issue during the order review or production process, or if they find certain order requirements cannot be met, our project manager will gather feedback from all departments to communicate with the customer. Through teamwork, we make every effort to ensure that the order aligns with the customer's expectations. At WayKen, we address the industry pain points mentioned at the beginning of the video by conducting thorough evaluation of orders at every stage and across all departments, all while strictly adhering to the ISO 9001 order review process. Our commitment to quality and collaboration has earned us the trust of countless customers. When you're choosing WayKen, you are choosing a partner dedicated to your success. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.